I will explain about the introduction of this event, and we will see the event overview. Okay, the Community 2024 event is a technology that focus on event plan to be held at Urban Hive co-working space in Kuala Lumpur. This event will include a workshop, seminars, and community activities aimed at students, startup, and tech professionals. And we will see why we need a legal agreement. We need a legal agreement to ensure the event runs smoothly, and a formal rental agreement is necessary. It also helps all parties to understand their rules, follow rules, and avoid the misunderstandings. And we also, without a clear agreements, problems can happen with payments, usage of space, or safety issues. Okay, we go to the key part of the legal framework. Okay, the rental agreement includes four main areas. Well, first is financial agreements, and second is facility usage, and third is safety responsibility, and fourth is risk management. What a goal of this event, or we call our objective for this event. This event is to the main goal to be a kind of the event of tech community 2024 is to bring up people together in the tech industry. It is also place to the learn new skill, share knowledge, and build new ideas. How this event give a benefit to the community? Okay, we can see this event will support the local community by creating opportunities to learn and grow. It also can help to others to connect students, professional, and small business together. They can make a network and can make a collaboration and possibly work on future project together. Okay, we go to the identifications of parties who will be involved in these events. Okay, first we have a venue order. This is a will be conducted at the Urban Hive co-working space at Kuala Lumpur. And we have a event organizer, and will be conducted by the Future Tech Community Network FTCN, and will be involved or will be attended by three target. First is entrepreneur, students, and tech community members. We go to the second parts is purpose and scope. This will be to be ensure the professional venue use and legal protections. It will cover for the four things or for scope. For the first is use of space. And second is payment terms. And third is safety and liability, and last thing is cancellation and dispute resolution. We go to the next part. It is event details. This event name is Tech for the Community 2024, and will be held on the 10 October 2024, and the time is 9 a.m. to until 6 p.m. and the venue is at Urban Hive Kuala Lumpur, and the expected attendance, the total attendance, we expect we have 150 participants, and we have special needs or special equipment. We need AV equipment, we need a Wi-Fi, and we need exhibitions area.
This is for use of premises, the access areas, hall, meeting rooms, pantry, and lounge. For the restriction, no cooking. Music ends by 7 p.m. Pass clear venue on the same day. And setup is on 9 October, 3 p.m. to 8 p.m. Tear down on 10 October by 10 p.m. Now is rent and payments. Total fee is 12,000. Payment breakdown: 3,000 deposit on signing, 6,000 1 week before the event, and 3,000 after event based on condition. Refundable deposit is RM 1,000 ringgit. Event management responsibilities: vendor coordination, safety and equipment care, fire or health compliance, and all event logistics.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Mafif, and today I want to present about participant obligation. First up is cleanliness. We really appreciate it when everyone does their part to keep this place tidy. That means cleaning up after yourself, throwing trash in the bins, and not leaving personal belongings all over the place. A clean space makes it easier and more comfortable for everyone to enjoy the event. Next is safety compliance. We are all about having a good time but safely. Please follow any instruction from the organizers, especially if it's about health, safety procedures, or emergency protocols. If we ask you to wear safety gear or avoid certain areas, it's for your own protection. Let's keep everyone injury free, yeah? And finally, property care. Whether it's venue equipment, borrowed tools, or decoration, please treat everything with care and respect. Damaging or misusing property doesn't just affect us, it affects the whole groups. Let's be mindful so that future participants can enjoy the same setup we have today. So first thing first, FTCN will be held responsible for any damages to the venue during the event. We are trusted to use the space responsibly, so if anything gets broken or damaged, FTCN takes the lead in making it right. Next, if you are a vendor or exhibitor bring your own stuff, you are responsible for your own equipment. That includes making sure it's safe, secure, and not causing any harm to others or the venues. If anything happens to your booth, tools, or material, or if they cause an issue, that's on yourself. And finally, this is about protecting Urban Hive, our venue partner. Everyone involved, FTCN, vendors, or other parties agrees to indemnify Urban Hive, meaning if a third party brings a claim or lawsuit related to your action, you handle it, not Urban Hive. The only exception is if something happens due to Urban Hive on negligence, like if they didn't fix a broken floor tiles and someone trips, but otherwise the responsibility stays with the party that caused the issue. So for this event, FTCN is required to have liability insurance with a minimum coverage of 500,000 ringgit Malaysia. This is just in case something unexpected happens like injury, accident or damage during the event. It protects both us and others and it's part of being a responsible organizer. On top of that, we also need to make sure our gear and materials are covered too. So equipment protection insurance is also a must. If anything get lost, stolen or damaged, this insurance help us cover the cost without major setbacks. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Dr. Zulkifli bin Khairuddin. Now, let's talk about dispute resolution. In any legal agreement, it's essential to have a structured process that please resolve disagreements. In our rental agreement, we've outlined a three-step approach. Step one is internal negotiation. If any issues arise, both parties, the venue owner and the organizer, will first attempt to resolve the matter through direct communication. If that fails, we move to step number two, mediation. A neutral third party will be brought in to help facilitate a fair discussion and solution. Lastly, step number three, it involves binding arbitration carried out under Malaysian law. This ensures that any unresolved matters are handled with finality and legal backing. This multi-steps process ensures fairness for both parties and reduce the likelihood of prolonged legal battles.
So next is termination and amendments. Either party has the rights to cancel the agreement, but they must give at least 21 days notice. If the venue cancel, the full deposit paid by the organizer must be refunded. However, if the organizer cancels without a valid reason, the deposit will be forfeit. As for changes to the agreement, any amendments must be made in writing and signed by both parties. This ensures that all discussions are mutual and official documented, preventing misunderstanding or unauthorized changes. Finally, we address breach of agreement. If there's a minor breach like failing to follow a small venue rule, a warning may be issued, or the participant involved may be removed from the event. In this case of major breach, such as damage to the venue or serious rule violation, that the event can be terminated immediately. And additionally, legal action may be taken to recover financial losses or for any harm caused. These provisions are important to protect the rights and responsibilities of all involved parties and ensure the event runs professionally and safely.
Okay, for the last part, we go to the conclusion to these events. These legal agreements establish a clear frameworks for hosting tech for Community 2024 by defining a financial terms, usage rules, and safety protocols. The agreement ensures a professional, transparent, and dispute-free pre-events and management process.